Hi everybody and welcome to Improve My Maths, a maths channel to help you to improve your maths by yourself. In today's video we will be learning our 11 times and division tables. We're going to be doing 5 different activities. We're going to skip count on the 100 square, skip count on number of flowers, we're going to do our times tables, our division tables, and finally we're going to use a multiplication square. Okay, so let's do activity number 1. Our first task is to skip count on the 100 square in 11s. Can you help me to do that? Let's start on the number 11. So, say them along with me to help you to learn them. So we've got 11. And to get to the next number, you can either count on 11 spaces, like this, 1, 2, hop 3, hop 4, hop 5, hop 6, hop 7, hop 8, hop 9, hop 10, hop 11, which will give you 22. The other way is to hop down a row, which is the same as jumping across 10, and then across 1, which will also give you 22. Simple. Okay, so we've got 11 and 22. Can you think of what the next number could be? Yes, 33. Too easy. Next is 44, then 55. After that it's 66. Do you notice the pattern? The tens go up by 1 each time and the units go up by 1 each time too. So after 66, it's 77, then 88, then 99. Well done, you've successfully skip counted on the 100 square in 11s. Okay, straight on to activity 2. Help me to skip count on the flowers. So we've got 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, 121, 132. Great work. Okay, on to activity 3. Are you ready? For this activity, we're going to do our 11 times tables. Try to say them along with me. Keep an eye on the blocks to help you. There are 11 in each row. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's our 11. Let's do our first one. 1 multiplied by 11 equals 11. 2 multiplied by 11 equals 22. 3 multiplied by 11 is 33. 4 multiplied by 11 is 44. 5 multiplied by 11 is 55. Can you see the pattern? You just double the number when multiplying by 11. So 1 goes to 1, which is 11. 2 is 22, 2. 3 goes to 33, 3. So every time you multiply by 11, you're just doubling the number that you multiply by. Or you're repeating it. 6 multiplied by 11 is 66, 6. 7 multiplied by 11 is 77. 8 multiplied by 11 is 88. 9 multiplied by 11 is 99. 10 multiplied by 11. Now this one is a bit different, but remember any number multiplied by 10 will be the same number but just with a 0 at the end of it. So 10 multiplied by 11 is 110. You've got the 0 at the end of the 11. 11 multiplied by 11 is 121. And 12 multiplied by 11 is 132. Great job. Let's move on to activity 4 now. Just 2 more activities, then we're done. Let's try some division tables now. So in this big green square here, we've got 132. So let's do our first one. If we start with 132 and we divide it by 11 or split it into groups of 11, it's the same thing. How many groups of 11 will we have? We will have 12 groups of 11. So down the side there you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 groups of 11. 11 in each row. So 132 divided by 11 is equal to 12. Next number is 121. And 121 divided by 11, or split into groups of 11, will give us 11 groups of 11. 121 divided by 11 is equal to 11. If we take 110 and we divide it by 11, or split it into groups of 11, we will get 10 groups of 11. 110 divided by 11 equals 10. 99 divided by 11 equals 9 groups of 11. 88 divided by 11 equals 8. If we take 77, split it into groups of 11, there will be 7 groups of 11. 77 divided by 11 equals 7. Now, while we're here, I would like to teach you a different way of saying it. So if I take 77 again, but this time I'm going to split it into 11 groups. So 1 group, here's another group, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups, 8 groups, 9 groups, 10 groups, 11 groups. So 11 groups. And I share the 77 equally into 11 equal groups, then there will be 7 in each group. It's the same sum, just a different way of saying it. If I take 66, split it into groups of 11, I will get 6 groups with 11 in each group. But if I take 66 and split it into 11 groups, there will be 6 in each group. Same thing again. Let's take 55 and do it both ways. 55 divided by 11 is equal to 5. 55 divided into 11 groups is equal to 5 too. So, what we have to remember is very simple when we listen out for 2 words. Groups of 11, 11 groups, with no word of in it. One more time. So, groups of 11, there's our groups of 11, and here's our 11 groups. Same sum, just a different way of saying it. 55 divided by 11 equals 5. Let's take 44. Split it into groups of 11, you'll have 4 groups. We can also get 44 and split it into 11 groups, and we'll have 4 in each group. 33 divided by 11 is equal to 3. 33 divided by 11 is equal to 3. 22 divided by 11 is equal to 2. Or split 22 into 11 groups, it's also equal to 2. Last one is taking 11 and we divide it into 11s. We will only get one group of 11 in 11. But split 11 into 11 groups and we will get 1 in each group. And that is our 11 division tables. Fantastic! You are doing so well. This last activity is easy and won't take long. We're going to use the multiplication square. We're just going to focus on the bottom half of it. Try to repeat after me to help you to learn them. Let's start on the number 11. So 11 multiplied by 1 is 11. The next number is 11 multiplied by 2 equals 22. 11 multiplied by 3 is equal to 33. Okay, let's speed this up. 11 4s are 44, 11 5s are 55, 11 6s are 66, 11 7s are 77, 11 8s are 88, 11 9s are 99, 11 10s are 110, 11 11s are 121, 11 12s are 132, and finally 11 13s are 143. Brilliant work! Great work! You've completed all the activities in this lesson. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and see you soon.